Hello, beauties! So, back after a long time, and here I am sharing my nighttime skincare routine. It's really very important to cleanse the skin before sleeping, and I start with the Plum micellar cleansing water. I have made it a golden rule that I always remove my makeup before washing my face. This micellar water is quite good as it gets out the toughest of the waterproof makeup and there is no irritation on the skin. It has the goodness of aloe, olive, hazel and coconut fruit extracts. And now is the turn for the cleansing of the face, and for that I use most of the times the pore cleansing face wash, that is the green tea pore cleansing face wash from Plum only. The best thing is that this has really helped me reduce any sort of acne or pimples on my skin. Stress has become an integral part of each and everyone's life, and it is confirmed to cause acne. So this is my first step to managing acne, and in fact smiling at acne. Moving forward in the video, I just felt like I should dedicate the complete video to Plum Goodness as it has really become my most favorite brand, and during the night or day as well I use maximum of their products. As you can see here, I am using the green tea clear face mask. This is not an everyday application, but yes, the days when I have done some heavy makeup on my skin or my skin feels really stressed out, then I apply this face mask, as this is a no mean mask and the acne prone skin tends to break out when not taken good care of or some heavy chemicals are used on the skin. So this really helps to cleanse, soothe, control acne, prevent its reoccurrence. So it's a must go for me. Look at that instant glow which it has provided to my skin. And now moving on further, I have this amazing oil which is the grape seed and sea buckthorn oil. This is an amazing oil which helps to replenish any lost nutrients. You just need to dab it and press it into your skin. Then, with the help of the knuckles of your hands, or you may use any tools, you can just provide that de-stressing and depuffing movement to your skin. Make sure that you're not applying much pressure, just go swift on your skin. Try to use this oil at alternate days. I, being a dry skin person, even use it like every day. It is really enriched with vitamin A, C and antioxidants. Otherwise, also use of facial oils is highly recommended if the skin is an aging skin, and this really helps to rejuvenate the skin and increase the blood circulation in the skin, and I have seen many positive changes in my skin due to this. So now, how can we forget the most important part, that is the lips? And here I have these Plum candy melts. Plum is a totally vegan brand and they say no to parabens or any harsh chemicals. It's 100% vegan brand. They are totally against the animal testing, and here you can find these Plum candy melts in various flavors. The one which I have used is the Berry Feast. Now sharing my another favorite from Plum, and that is their fragrance free oil free moisturizer. So this also helps to banish the breakouts and is so lightweight gel cream and helps to combat acne, leaving a matte fresh feeling on the skin. So can be used on your face, on your neck, on your hands, chin area, nose area. You just need to massage it into the skin in slow upward outward circular motion. So guys, these are the regular steps that I follow for my night care routine. Hope it helps you.